Okay, this is a test recording. This is a test recording. I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys are amped for the next lesson. It's gonna be really cool because we're gonna go into Kali Linux. I love Kali Linux. Test. Cool. Now that we've got that going, let me just make sure the mic is in properly. Let's go. So here is this file. I downloaded it already. So you see it says kitty v2 1, not much really, but it's a JPEG file. So go to Kali Linux. Once in Kali Linux, we go. Here's the file. So it's on my desktop. You can see it's on my desktop, right? So I go to terminal. First thing I do, and then I go. Don't worry about this. I was just doing some update, and I haven't gotten to removing this. So yours will just have this. It'll start here, going down. So we're here now. Here. Yes, we're here. Okay, so now when we start, we want to get to the desktop, right? So first thing I do, I know that people do a different thing, but I just type ls, and then I see, oh, these are the options that I have. It basically, ls is like list for me, like list of what is available now that I can access, I can see, and that I can access to files, document, pictures. So it'll list every single thing. So now I see desktop is there. I want to go there, so I'll write desktop and I'll press enter. Then now that I'm in there, I'll do the same ls again, ls, so it can show me the options that are there. I just make it that simple for me. So now I do this command, but you have to install this, but it goes like bin walk. So like it's as if you're walking through the bin. Bin is like, for me, in my own understanding, is like when they were programming these computers, when they go to the like root, you'll normally hear them talk about bin. Like I think maybe it's short for binary, or like they wrote bin, but or binocular. So you're walking through there now, and you say bin wall, and then you use that keyword b. You say b, and then you say the folder, jpg. Got that right? You can see that. Oh, let me make this bigger so you can see clearly. I hope you can see. So here it is. You can see, right? Binwalk -b3 JPEG. Where is this thing coming from? This 3 JPEG. It's the name of the JPEG. Remember, it's here. It's listed. So after that, I just press enter, and then look what it's doing. What it was meant to do. Okay, just shows me that there's some stuff here. There's like directories. There's like 8. You see, oh, this is not like normal. And then CTF image, beginning offset of first image. There's clearly something here you can do to find out if there's like something hindering you, or like some hidden stuff. You can do this thing called but it's not that important for now. But once I remember, I'll show you. For now, xf tool, then I do the name of the, okay, let's see what pops up there. Oh, so it shows me a lot, a lot about this thing. So here it printed every single thing about it, so you can remember that. Write it down somewhere. XF2, and then you put the name of the image. Then you go down, you see a lot about this thing. Maybe they can ask you in an exam, what byte order was it using, you know, like as a programmer, as a person who's doing cybersecurity, you need to know the formats, you know, these bytes, the byte order. So big endian, you know. And then it could ask you what kind of software was used. You say Adobe Photoshop, or what operating system was used. You can answer Windows. When was it last modified? Those are questions you could get a lot here. Last modified, you see. You know, they could ask you something like, oh, but here's something strange. Look, it says it's funny even. And this looks like a code for me. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna try this. So I'm gonna funny. Okay, I see it. I see you. So here we are. So I'm gonna write flag funny. I think it is tag 4, something like that. Let me see if I'm correct. Sorry, man. Yeah, I think I'm correct, eh? Okay. Let me just put it here so it just see it. You see? It's the one, right? Cool. Let's see. You've already solved this. Let's put it here so you can see it. You've already solved this. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Another one brought to you by your boy, the African hacker. You know, holla, holla, holla. Showing you things, you know, important things, you know, things to pass your exams, guys. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, donate, do, you know, questions, send comment, you know, do something. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Let's go to the next lesson.